Hi there! So, our materials for the Teeny Weeny Blooms first version of a Poinsettia. For my first version, I have actually 4 patterns for the petal. So this one, so the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. And we have the base. And then what I use for the centers of this one are actually rolled roses. So this is a very easy and simple flower to make, which I really like. We just need to use I just placed it in here, a glue gun with a glue stick. So let's just place it here. Okay, so as you can see, I have some score marks in there just to accent the flower. You also have the option to fold this like an accordion type, but just for this tutorial, I just used the score marks for accent. So for the SVG file, it definitely has the score marks. Just change the setting of the layer for the score marks to score rather than cut, or else it will be cut. Anyway, so let's proceed. So the first petal, it actually doesn't have a slit. The other 3 has, because it needs to like angle a little bit. So let's just proceed. What we're gonna do first is we're just gonna fold all of the petals. So let's do that. Okay, so we're done folding. What we need to do is we need to close the slits. So for the second petal, I would just position the closing to like this one, the corner of it. So it will angle a little bit. So let's do just that. Then for the third one, similar. So at the corner, or you can exceed a bit. It's your preference. The more you close it, the higher the angle will be. So I'll just make it a little bit more angular. The rubber of my glue went off, sorry. Still functions. It's just more dangerous. And then the last one, similar. So at the edge. So let's kind of organize our petals. Okay, your base. So we have a pentagon, so meaning we will have 1 petals for each point. So since it's a pentagon, so we have 5 petals, 5 pieces per petal. So we're just gonna position them here. So let's begin. So probably just a little bit in between. A quicker way actually is to just place glue over here and just attach it. The third petal, so just in between. You can also do what I did a while ago, so just place in the glue in there. You see what I did? So insert the this side on the back of your first petal. Last one, your smallest one. So this one, I think I would prefer to place the glue. So just place in between. As for the center, so this rolled small rose flower. So some use tweezers to like do the first roll, but me, I just like want to like fold the tip a little and then just roll it. And then you see there's like a circular end, so that would be your base. Oh my god. Okay. I almost burned myself. Um anyway, so just do that and you're done. Yay. I have 3 here. Usually it's 3. So yep, we can use 3. We can use 4. Whatever works. I'll just use 3. So let's attach it. Yay! And we're done. Isn't this so easy? Actually, yep, it's relatively easy. So for the center, this is actually a cream colored cardstock. I used this spray paint. At I would be honest with you, at first I was kind of hesitant to use spray paint with cardstock, but I tell you it's life changing, and it's actually a bit savvy, or it's kind of cheaper rather than buying the one that is like gold foil or like the gold ones from Michael, which some pack just includes 5, and then the foil, I don't really like that because first of all it's just one-sided. At the same time, it's very shiny, that it's kind of cheap looking. This one is matte, so as you can see here, well, sorry, it looks shiny now, but in person it's, yep, it's much more sleek rather than the very very shiny metallic foil from Michaels that are like 25 per pack, and it's thinner. That one, this one, you can use whatever cardstock you like. So again, don't be like me who was kind of hesitant at first to use what do they call this one, spray paint. Also, for this one, I actually rolled it first and then spray painted it. For this one, the one that I showed that I assembled earlier, I actually sprayed it first and then rolled it, right? For me, I am not sure. This is darker, probably because the color was more evenly spread rather than this one. It's kind of focused, and I'm not sure. It's just lighter. The one that I sprayed directly when assembled. Anyway, so that's it for my first version of Poinsettia. How do you pronounce it? We just usually pronounce it as Poinsettia. So I'm sorry if I am mispronouncing it, but yeah, that's my accent right there. Anyway, so yep. So again, you can use a larger base to like attach it here, so it's sturdier. It's kind of flimsy right now, but yep, it works. I like it. I like my Poinsettia. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.